back.
Yes, we are. And our cookies are all nice and dry. They've been cooked and cut up and baked, and they're nice and dry. And now we're going to decorate. So I'm going to show you, like, one of the ways you can decorate is to use t-shirt paints. That's right. Puffy paint t-shirt paints. So you can go ahead and start with the blue. Have you ever decorated cookies before?
Oh, many years, many.
You know about flooding? Do you
Absolutely.
know how to flood?
I flood all over the place.
Oh, he floods all over the place. Oh, goodness me.
We might be talking about two different.
Oh, goodness. Okay, well, do you know what flooding is?
No idea.
Okay, so what you do usually with a cookie is you outline it first.
Okay.
And then you flood the inside.
Okay.
So outline all the areas outside. So I'm going to do this one with just a white outline. So I'm going to outline the doors. I'm going to outline the whole thing. I have to hold my hair, my glorious golden locks.
Windows?
Yes. Whee! So I'm doing one in white.
Oh.
Tardis, and it's okay. Everything artsy has room for errors.
License for.
Yeah.
Yes. I've done my. Is that the flushing bit done or no?
No, we're just outlining now.
Oh, I've only done. Oh, I've got to do all these as well.
Yeah, if you want. And I'm sorry, I'm just like looking down. I should be looking up. There you go. And then the way you flood is you just take it, and since you usually let the outline dry,
Right.
and then you just fill it in. So you can fill in.
Okay.
You can fill in the rest. Go ahead. You can just fill in the rest. I'm going to use the blue when you're done with it. Now this other one, I'm just going to make it all glittery and cute. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge, and this is sparkled Mod Podge, and I'm just going to make it all sparkly. Like there's a whole bunch of like stardust on the Tardis. A stardust Tardis. Whee! Ooh, you're doing the flooding perfectly.
Thank you. Told you I've been flooding for years.
So I made
Beginning to take shape.
Yes, it's perfect. And then that one's sparkly, and then if we want, we can outline this one in blue, if you want to outline that one in blue. And that's it. That is pretty much it. That's how you decorate your cookies. Now for these cookies, for the macaroons, I colored the water before I added it to the flour and the salt. And then I cut them out just like I would, you know, like a regular cookie. But I made sure to like pull away at the ends, so it would look like the little feet that you get on macaroons. Now the inside looks like buttercream. It's actually bathroom caulk, so definitely don't want to eat this, okay? Yes, it's bathroom caulk. You can decorate with bathroom caulk. And I also decorated this with bathroom caulk and glitter.
In the shower with it.
Yes, you can. But look how cute that looks. Now it's going to be all glittery with the blue outline. I like that. And then we have the regular white outline. So that's it. That's how you decorate your fake cookies for your Christmas tree, and then you can put ribbon on them and hang them on, or you can give them to your friends and make sure they realize that they're not edible, okay? So we'll be back with another wonderful little Christmas craft for you Doctor Who fans. Dun, da, da.